Love telling you about things happening around town. We also love telling you about musical events that are happening, and we have one coming up this weekend, Jackie.
That's right. We love it when we can go to our soundstage and boom, we have a band live in studio, and one you do not want to miss.
Jacob County and the Damaged Goods. Interesting name, Jacob. How are you, my friend?
I'm great, thanks.
How did you come up with that name?
Well, growing up in Knoxville is a good start, and going through all the punches of playing in music forever, and
it just seemed to fit.
It just fit, you know. Yeah.
All right, so you guys are going to be playing this weekend. Tell everybody where you're performing.
We're performing at the new grand opening at the Grapevine.
The grand opening?
Yes, which is going to be held at Crazy Horse Guitars.
All right.
There you go, 2331 University Avenue.
Perfect.
This Saturday, 7 p.m. Hey, Jacob, we need to hear what you guys sound like. Take it away.
All right.
You just giving up, you just giving in, taking the high road in this ride we're in. You can't hang around, you gonna leave this town. Well, the high road just feels like sin, just like sin, and you know where I've been, just holding on for another round. 'Cause I ain't going down, hell-bent or hell-bound. Well, I just wish they'd ring that bell. Ring that bell, ring that bell. Well, I just wish they'd ring that bell. I ain't throwing in no towel. There ain't no quitting me anyhow today. 'Cause I ain't giving up, I ain't giving in. Well, this last round looks like I might win. I could win it all, you could watch me fall. Well, I just wish they'd ring that bell. Ring that bell, ring that bell. Well, I just wish they'd ring that bell. Ring that bell, ring that bell. Well, I just wish they'd ring that. Just wish they'd ring. Just wish they'd ring that bell.
There you go, Jacob County and the Damaged Goods. Going to be performing this weekend, folks. And
They don't sound too damaged to me.
Not very damaged at all. The Grapevine at Crazy Horse Guitars over on University. Check it out, 7 p.m. Saturdays when things get up and going. All right, Jacob, need to introduce the band members for us.
Yes, sir. Over here to my right, I've got D. Blood, Dennis Bloodwater on guitar, Sir Dirk William Newton back here on the drums, and Beth Spaniel on bass guitar.
Yeah,
Nice.
well
I'm Jacob
done.
County.
And how long have you guys been together?
Actually, it's been what, 6, 7 years?
Wow.
I think now. It goes by so fast it doesn't seem like it, which is a good thing.
That is a good thing.
Means
All
you're
right.
having fun.
It
Well,
means
if you
we're-
guys have it dialed in, let's hear another one from you if we can.
Okay. This one's called Boy Ain't the Same. It's about a wrecking my '63 Impala down by Lake Red Rock.
Got her in overdrive. I think I'll get home alive. Yeah, I'll get home alive.
Goods on the Great Day Soundstage. As we remind everybody, they're going to be performing coming up this weekend. The Grapevine at Crazy Horse Guitars over on University. Going to be a great show. Grand opening. Reopening, I should say.
Reopening there.
The Grapevine.
2331 University Avenue.
Looking forward to it. Well, Jacob, thank you guys for coming over, man. This is very cool.
Thank you very much, Lou.
We appreciate it, buddy. Well, you guys have a great time this weekend, and if you could do us a favor, tell us where we can follow along and see where you guys are going to be at.
We have a Facebook page, Jacob County and the Damaged Goods. Also, Reverb Nation. You can find some of our new music on iTunes. Appreciate it if you go and buy that if you like what you're hearing.
Nice.
That is awesome. And if you like what you hear, make sure you show up this weekend too, right?
Yeah, please do.
That's the whole idea. Can you do us a favor? Can you play us into commercial break?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. We'll be right back, folks. This is KCWI 23 HD.